Have you ever traveled to a place during rain season and you don't have any instant coffee? You don't have a coffee maker, but you have coffee grounds, but you do have a way to make hot water. But I don't have a coffee maker. So what do? Well, I have a solution. I remembered that I brought this thing, and it is a mini French press. It's called the FinalPress. And here's how it works. Let's go ahead and take it out of its little sleeve. Take it out of there. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of coffee to this. Go ahead and open this up. Our coffee ground's ready. And this is technically not a tablespoon, but try not to spill this everywhere. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna add a little more since this is there we go. Alright. So I'm just gonna tap that down. As you can see, that's about 3/4 full. Let's screw this lid back on, like so. Yep, got it on right. I've already pre-boiled some water for this. Put the boiling water in. You add this in and stir it 20 times. Alright, now you're supposed to let it steep for 2 minutes, so I'll be right back. Alright, 2 minutes later, and there you have it. So we're just gonna press. Push in, and then we're going to stir it 20 more times. And 20. Press it again. And we'll stir it like 5 more times. All right. There we have it. Cheers. Now I don't have to go out in the rain to grab coffee.